ICA Exam 1 questions with complete solutions. Question 1. If water infiltration is suspected behind a finished surface, what tool would be the best choice to verify dampness? Option A, a non-contact moisture meter. Option B, a psychrometer. Option C, an infrared camera. Option D, a borescope. The correct answer is option A, a non-contact moisture meter. The correct answer is a non-contact moisture meter. Question 2. Gas-fired furnace heat exchangers most often fail from: option A, rust and metal fatigue. Option B, blocked flue vent. Option C, improper gas pressure. Option D, clogged air filter. The correct answer is option A, rust and metal fatigue. The correct answer is rust and metal fatigue. Question 3. Relative humidity, RH, is expressed as: option A, percentage. Option B, decimal. Option C, ratio. Option D, parts per million. The correct answer is option A, percentage. The correct answer is percentage. Question 4. Connections of dissimilar metal in a plumbing system, such as galvanized steel pipe and copper pipe, will usually cause: option A, electrolysis. Option B, oxidation. Option C, calcification. Option D, expansion stress. The correct answer is option A, electrolysis. The correct answer is electrolysis. Question 5. Which has the least effect on the deflection of a dimension lumber floor system? Option A, joist width. Option B, joist span. Option C, joist spacing. Option D, joist depth. The correct answer is option A, joist width. The correct answer is joist width. Question 6. The normal maximum rise of residential stair treads is: option A, 7 3/4 inches / depth is 10 inches. Option B, 7 inches / depth is 11 inches. Option C, 8 1/4 inches / depth is 9 inches. Option D, 6 1/2 inches / depth is 12 inches. The correct answer is option A, 7 3/4 inches / depth is 10 inches. The correct answer is 7 3/4 inches / depth is 10 inches. Question 7. An ungrounded receptacle may be replaced by a ground fault circuit interrupter installed: option A, upstream from the receptacle. Option B, downstream from the receptacle. Option C, at the main service panel only. Option D, in a separate junction box. The correct answer is option A, upstream from the receptacle. The correct answer is upstream from the receptacle. Question 8. Circuit breakers. Option A, protect the wire from an electrical overload. Option B, regulate the voltage. Option C, increase the amperage. Option D, protect from lightning strikes. The correct answer is option A, protect the wire from an electrical overload. The correct answer is protect the wire from an electrical overload. Question 9. In a forced air heating system containing a split system air conditioner and a humidifier, humidity is reduced by: option A, condensation at the evaporator coil. Option B, evaporation at the condenser. Option C, heating the supply air. Option D, increasing the fan speed. The correct answer is option A, condensation at the evaporator coil. The correct answer is condensation at the evaporator coil. Question 10. A home inspection report must include: option A, the general life expectancy of the roofing material. Option B, the cost of replacement. Option C, the manufacturer's name. Option D, the date of installation. The correct answer is option A, the general life expectancy of the roofing material. The correct answer is the general life expectancy of the roofing material. Question 11. Water hammer can occur as a result of: option A, a lack of air chambers. Option B, faulty shutoff valves. Option C, loose piping. Option D, low static water pressure. The correct answer is option A, a lack of air chambers. Correct answer is a lack of air chambers. Question 12. If a system designed for use with natural gas is supplied with propane gas: option A, no changes are needed for the equipment to function properly. Option B, the flame will be too high unless a smaller orifice is installed. Option C, the flame will be too low unless a larger orifice is installed. Option D, the gas regulator and valve must be replaced. The correct answer is option B, the flame will be too high unless a smaller orifice is installed. Correct answer is the flame will be too high unless a smaller orifice is installed. Question 13. When looking at the exterior wall of a 60-year-old brick masonry house with a gable roof, you notice a horizontal crack in the mortar and outward brick displacement along the gutter edge of the roof. The displacement is greatest at the center of the top 3 courses of brick. This condition is most likely caused by: option A, excessive sand in the mortar mix. Option B, defective brick bonding. Option C, improper ceiling joist installation. Option D, differential settlement. The correct answer is option C, improper ceiling joist installation. Correct answer is improper ceiling joist installation. Question 14. You inspect a wood-framed cantilevered balcony off a second-story bedroom. You find significant wood deterioration, at least 1/2 member depth, of all cantilever joists at the bearing point of the house. You should: Option A. Notify the occupants of the significant hazard, advise immediate repair to both the occupant and client in the report. Option B. Note the significant hazard and recommend immediate repair, by a licensed professional, in your report. Option C. Refer the wood deterioration to a structural pest control operator for professional opinion. Option D. Recommend sistering existing framing members to increase strength, prior to further use. The correct answer is option B. Note the significant hazard and recommend immediate repair, by a licensed professional, in your report. Correct answer is note the significant hazard and recommend immediate repair, by a licensed professional, in your report. Question 15. When a cooling unit is located in an attic where damage may result from condensate overflow. Option A. Attic ventilation must be increased to avoid condensation. Option B. Steel ducting is not allowed because of potential damage from condensation. Option C. An auxiliary condensate drain system is required. Option D. A supplemental condensate pump is required. The correct answer is option C. An auxiliary condensate drain system is required. Correct answer is an auxiliary condensate drain system is required. Question 16. Asphalt shingles are not allowed to be installed on roofs with slopes less than. Option A. 1 and 12. Option B. 2 and 12. Option C. 3 and 12. Option D. 4 and 12. The correct answer is option B. 2 and 12. Correct answer is 2 and 12. Question 17. If a poured concrete foundation has an unusually large number of vertical cracks, each no wider than 1/32 inch, the cause is likely to be: Option A. Differential settlement from adverse drainage conditions. Option B. Excessive amounts of aggregate in the concrete mix. Option C. Settlement from compaction of soils below the footings. Option D. Shrinkage of the concrete from excess water at the time of pouring. The correct answer is option D. Shrinkage of the concrete from excess water at the time of pouring. Correct answer is shrinkage of the concrete from excess water at the time of pouring. Question 18. Where should squash blocks, web blocking, be found in a wood I-joist floor system? Option A. At bearing ends and load-bearing walls above with support girders below. Option B. At bearing ends and all splices. Option C. At bearing ends and plumbing penetrations. Option D. At perimeter ends, plumbing penetrations, and splices over girders. The correct answer is option A. At bearing ends and load-bearing walls above with support girders below. Correct answer is at bearing ends and load-bearing walls above with support girders below. Question 19. Columns typically support: Option A. Footers. Option B. Walls. Option C. Girders. Option D. Joists. The correct answer is option C. Girders. Correct answer is girders. Question 20. In new construction, the minimum overhead electrical service clearances are: Option A. Walkway 8 feet, roadway 16 feet, deck 10 feet. Option B. Walkway 9 feet, roadway 15 feet, deck 12 feet. Option C. Walkway 10 feet, roadway 18 feet, deck 10 feet. Option D. Walkway 12 feet, roadway 20 feet, deck 12 feet. The correct answer is option C. Walkway 10 feet, roadway 18 feet, deck 10 feet. Correct answer is walkway 10 feet, roadway 18 feet, deck 10 feet. Question 21. During a summertime inspection, what could indicate chronic condensation problems in an attic? Option A. The attic is very warm. Option B. There is no vapor retarder on the insulation. Option C. There are gray/black stains on the north side roof sheathing. Option D. There are mildew stains on the bathroom ceilings. The correct answer is option C. There are gray/black stains on the north side roof sheathing. Correct answer is there are gray/black stains on the north side roof sheathing. Question 22. Ice damming at the eaves may be caused by: Option A. Inadequate attic insulation. Option B. Undersized gutters. Option C. Shallow roof slope. Option D. Improper flashing. The correct answer is option A. Inadequate attic insulation. Correct answer is inadequate attic insulation. Question 23. The purpose of flashing on a roof is to: Option A. Shed water onto roofing materials. Option B. Seal roof shingles to vertical surfaces. Option C. Protect roofing material. Option D. Join different roofing materials. The correct answer is option A. Shed water onto roofing materials. Correct answer is shed water onto roofing materials. Question 24. The house you are inspecting currently has a gas-fired furnace or boiler. Each of the following clues may indicate that the house also has an abandoned buried fuel oil storage tank except: Option A, small diameter copper tubes emerging from the inside of the foundation one or the floor near the furnace or boiler. Option B, an approximately 1 1/4 inch diameter vent pipe outside coming from underground up against the foundation. Option C, the brick chimney serving the furnace or boiler has deteriorated mortar joints at the bottom. Option D, your knowledge that the neighborhood had or still has some houses served by oil heat. The correct answer is option C, the brick chimney serving the furnace or boiler has deteriorated mortar joints at the bottom. Correct answer is the brick chimney serving the furnace or boiler has deteriorated mortar joints at the bottom. Question 25. While inspecting a heat pump in the cooling mode, you measure a 28 degrees Fahrenheit temperature differential between the interior supply and return air. You should suspect: Option A, an exterior fan running too slowly. Option B, an overheating compressor. Option C, a dirty filter. Option D, a thermostat set too low. The correct answer is option C, a dirty filter. Correct answer is a dirty filter. Question 26. What is the minimum electrical service drop clearance from a residential driveway? Option A, 12 feet. Option B, 13 feet. Option C, 15 feet. Option D, 18 feet. The correct answer is option A, 12 feet. Correct answer is 12 feet. Question 27. Roof truss uplift can cause cracks to form. Option A, above exterior doors and windows. Option B, at interior wall/ceiling intersections. Option C, in bottom chords of roof trusses. Option D, in top chords of roof trusses. The correct answer is option B, at interior wall/ceiling intersections. Correct answer is at interior wall/ceiling intersections. Question 28. When measuring the temperature drop across the evaporator in a central air conditioning system, a properly running unit on a humid summer day should read between: Option A, 5 degrees Fahrenheit and 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Option B, 15 degrees Fahrenheit and 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Option C, 25 degrees Fahrenheit and 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Option D, 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 45 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct answer is option B, 15 degrees Fahrenheit and 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Correct answer is 15 degrees Fahrenheit and 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 29. Knob and tube wiring may be acceptable if: Option A, the home is insulated with fiberglass. Option B, the circuit breaker system is proper. Option C, not covered by insulation. Option D, the fuse system is still in place. The correct answer is option C, not covered by insulation. Correct answer is not covered by insulation. Question 30. The maximum acceptable variation in riser heights within a flight of stairs is: Option A, 1/2 inch. Option B, 3/8 inch. Option C, 3/4 inch. Option D, 1 inch. The correct answer is option B, 3/8 inch. Correct answer is 3/8 inch. Question 31. While conducting an inspection, your ladder falls over and breaks the homeowner's priceless Ming vase. What type of insurance is needed to cover the replacement? Option A, general liability. Option B, homeowners. Option C, errors and omissions. Option D, bonding. The correct answer is option A, general liability. Correct answer is general liability. Question 32. What is the minimum allowable separation between a masonry chimney and combustible materials? Option A, 3/4 inch. Option B, 1 inch. Option C, 2 inches. Option D, 4 inches. The correct answer is option C, 2 inches. Correct answer is 2 inches. Question 33. Bonding of appliances can be confirmed by using A/N. Option A, voltmeter. Option B, receptacle tester. Option C, ohm meter. Option D, ammeter. The correct answer is option C, ohm meter. Correct answer is ohm meter. Question 34. The service panel enclosure door is required to open at least: Option A, 45 degrees. Option B, 90 degrees. Option C, 135 degrees. Option D, 180 degrees. The correct answer is option B, 90 degrees. Correct answer is 90 degrees. Question 35. One of the purposes of a home inspection contract is to define the responsibilities limitations for: Option A, the real estate agent. Option B, the client. Option C, the seller. Option D, the appraiser. The correct answer is option B, the client. Correct answer is the client. Question 36. What is a required element of a contract? Option A, consideration. Option B, real estate agent's name. Option C, seller's name. Option D, names of persons attending the inspection. The correct answer is option A, consideration. Correct answer is consideration. Question 37. Home inspection agreements, contracts, should: Option A, establish the limitations of the inspection. Option B, be as exculpatory as possible. Option C, describe the weather conditions allowed. Option D, include the name of the client's real estate agent. The correct answer is option A, establish the limitations of the inspection. Correct answer is establish the limitations of the inspection. Question 38. Stringer, tread, and riser are all components of A. Option A, truss system. Option B, floor system. Option C, stair system. Option D, wall system. The correct answer is option C, stair system. Correct answer is stair system. Question 39. The final decision to enter a crawl space is made. Option A, when the home inspection is booked. Option B, by the homeowner. Option C, by the home inspector. Option D, by the client and agent. The correct answer is option C, by the home inspector. Correct answer is by the home inspector. Question 40. The purpose of a contract is to protect the option A, homeowner. Option B, real estate agent. Option C, buyer/client. Option D, home inspector and client. The correct answer is option D, home inspector and client. Correct answer is home inspector and client. Question 41. Conducting a complete and thorough home inspection minimizes the need for option A, a contract. Option B, errors and omissions insurance. Option C, bonding. Option D, a detailed inspection report. The correct answer is option B, errors and omissions insurance. Correct answer is errors and omissions insurance. Question 42. What is the most common contributing factor to masonry retaining wall movement? Option A, corbelled construction. Option B, hydrostatic pressure. Option C, poorly mortared joints. Option D, too many tiebacks. The correct answer is option B, hydrostatic pressure. Correct answer is hydrostatic pressure. Question 43. Buckling in horizontal vinyl siding is generally caused by option A, reflected sunlight. Option B, improper fastening. Option C, condensation in walls. Option D, improper house wrap. The correct answer is option B, improper fastening. Correct answer is improper fastening. Question 44. At what level would water pressure within a single-family dwelling begin to be considered excessive and require correction? Option A, 60 psi. Option B, 80 psi. Option C, 100 psi. Option D, 120 psi. The correct answer is option B, 80 psi. Correct answer is 80 psi. Question 45. A newer home with electric heat is being inspected. It has a below-grade finished basement containing a bedroom. The inspector should look for a smoke alarm and option A, an escape and rescue opening. Option B, a carbon monoxide alarm. Option C, a fire extinguisher. Option D, a safety ladder. The correct answer is option A, an escape and rescue opening. Correct answer is an escape and rescue opening. Question 46. A swimming pool fence must prevent passage of a sphere that is larger than option A, 2 inches. Option B, 3 inches. Option C, 4 inches. Option D, 5 inches. The correct answer is option C, 4 inches. Correct answer is 4 inches. Question 47. A ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, is a safety device that option A, disconnects power when the grounding to the outlet is faulty. Option B, detects moisture and disconnects power in wet locations. Option C, disconnects the power when sensing current leakage to ground. Option D, protects against electrical surges and voltage spikes. The correct answer is option C, disconnects the power when sensing current leakage to ground. Correct answer is disconnects the power when sensing current leakage to ground. Question 48. An electrical system with a fuse on the neutral conductor and on the energized, hot, conductors. Option A, is twice as safe as a system where only the energized, hot, conductors are fused. Option B, should have the neutral conductor fuse size to 1/2 the normal ampacity for the circuit. Option C, is overfused up to 50% if used only for lighting. Option D, is hazardous and should be corrected. The correct answer is option D, is hazardous and should be corrected. Correct answer is hazardous and should be corrected. Question 49. To operate a central air conditioner, an electric clothes dryer, and an electric range, the ampacity of the service to the house should be at least option A, 100 amps at 120 volts. Option B, 125 amps at 120 volts. Option C, 60 amps at 240 volts. Option D, 100 amps at 240 volts. The correct answer is option D, 100 amps at 240 volts. Correct answer is 100 amps at 240 volts. Question 50. A floor joist in a crawl space has been cut where the toilet drain passes through the floor. The joists are 2x6 spaced at 16 inch on center. The inspector should recommend that option A, the buyer monitor the floor. Floor systems such as this have redundant framing and removal of one joist is insignificant. Option B, a contractor should support the cut joist with new piers and posts from below. Option C, the cut joist should be headed off to adjacent framing members to distribute the load. Option D, a contractor be contacted to determine what is needed and make repairs. The correct answer is option D, a contractor be contacted to determine what is needed and make repairs. Correct answer is a contractor be contacted to determine what is needed and make repairs. Question 51. Most problems with concrete are caused at the time of installation. What single factor causes the most problems? Option A. The concrete has insufficient thickness. Option B. Too much water is added to the mix. Option C. Too much Portland cement is in the mix. Option D. The wrong kind of sand is in the mix. The correct answer is option B. Too much water is added to the mix. Correct answer is too much water is added to the mix. Question 52. Brick chimneys on older properties with oil heat sometimes curve above the roof line, with no visible cracks. Which is a possible cause of this curving? Option A. Settlement of the chimney footing. Option B. Expansion of mortar. Option C. Absence of a cricket flashing at the roof. Option D. Lack of a rain cap on the flue. The correct answer is option B. Expansion of mortar. Correct answer is expansion of mortar. Question 53. Which set of building terms do not belong together? Option A. Cripple trimmer, purlin. Option B. Arch, header, lintel. Option C. Rafters, ceiling joists, trusses. Option D. Sheathing, flooring, decking. The correct answer is option A. Cripple trimmer, purlin. Correct answer is cripple trimmer, purlin. Question 54. Low-pressure boiler pipes do not carry steam pressure above. Option A. 15 psi. Option B. 12 psi. Option C. 9 psi. Option D. 6 psi. The correct answer is option A. 15 psi. Correct answer is 15 psi. Question 55. When an asphalt shingle roof is installed over existing shingles, leakage commonly occurs at the option A. eaves. Option B. penetrations. Option C. ridge. Option D. hips. The correct answer is option B. penetrations. Correct answer is penetrations. Question 56. Roof trusses. Option A. May be cut or modified in the field. Option B. Make drywall nail pops less likely. Option C. Cannot be used for long ceiling spans. Option D. Are usually designed for two-point bearing. The correct answer is option D. Are usually designed for two-point bearing. Correct answer is are usually designed for two-point bearing. Question 57. On a hillside house with foundation drain systems. Option A. Rock-filled foundation drains are not allowed on the interior side of the foundation. Option B. The roof drains should connect directly to the foundation drains and have cleanouts. Option C. All foundation drain systems must be in perforated plastic piping extending to daylight. Option D. The foundation drain systems collect water passing laterally through the slope. The correct answer is option D. The foundation drain systems collect water passing laterally through the slope. Correct answer is the foundation drain systems collect water passing laterally through the slope. Question 58. A subpanel in an older house that is wired with non-metallic sheath cable, NM, has one circuit with a ground wire. The ground wire, option A, should be connected to a separate grounded bus bar. Option B, should be connected to a separate ground rod. Option C, may be bonded using the panel cover screws. Option D, may be connected to the neutral bus bar. The correct answer is option A, should be connected to a separate grounded bus bar. Correct answer is should be connected to a separate grounded bus bar. Question 59. Inspecting a very old country house, a gurgling sound is heard from the tub drain when the toilet is flushed. Which of the following is the most likely explanation for the sound? Option A. Water discharging from the toilet is pulling water from the tub trap. Option B. The tub drain is partially blocked. Option C. Water discharging from the toilet is pushing air through the tub trap. Option D. The branch drain is partially blocked downstream from the tub. The correct answer is option A. Water discharging from the toilet is pulling water from the tub trap. Correct answer is water discharging from the toilet is pulling water from the tub trap. Question 60. You are inspecting an older home which has replacement windows and new vinyl siding. The new siding is backed up with rigid foam insulation that covers the service entrance cable from the weatherhead to the meter. You should report that this is option A. Acceptable because the siding is a non-conducting type. Option B. An improper installation that should be corrected. Option C. A benefit because additional protection is provided to the service entrance cable. Option D. Acceptable, provided the drip loops at the service entrance head are left exposed. The correct answer is option B, an improper installation that should be corrected. Correct answer is an improper installation that should be corrected. Question 61. Oriented strand board, OSB, is used most frequently in option A, roof, floor, and exterior wall sheathing. Option B, walls and interior sheathing. Option C, ceramic tile underlayment. Option D, vinyl tile underlayment. The correct answer is option A, roof, floor, and exterior wall sheathing. Correct answer is roof, floor, and exterior wall sheathing. Question 62. Which of the following is not a component of wood stairs? Option A, riser. Option B, header. Option C, stringer. Option D, tread. The correct answer is option B, header. Correct answer is header. Question 63. When inspecting the structural system, the inspector is required to: option A, inspect only the visible components in the attic and crawl space. Option B, specify method of structural repairs to the system. Option C, report all structural deficiencies observed. Option D, determine the cause and origin of the damage. The correct answer is option A, inspect only the visible components in the attic and crawl space. Correct answer is inspect only the visible components in the attic and crawl space. Question 64. A ground fault occurs when: option A, too many devices are used on a circuit. Option B, a hot conductor touches another hot conductor. Option C, a hot conductor touches a grounded surface or grounding conductor. Option D, a grounded conductor comes in contact with a grounding conductor. The correct answer is option C, a hot conductor touches a grounded surface or grounding conductor. Correct answer is a hot conductor touches a grounded surface or grounding conductor. Question 65. Electrical receptacles in bathrooms should be: option A, GFCI protected. Option B, at least 3 feet away from showers and bathtubs. Option C, not more than 2 feet from the vanity basin. Option D, waterproofed. The correct answer is option A, GFCI protected. Correct answer is GFCI protected. Question 66. Medium efficiency furnaces have a draft inducer fan and are connected directly to the vent system instead of having a draft hood. There are white and yellowish deposits below the draft inducer fan. A possible explanation for these deposits is that: option A, the seal between the draft inducer fan and the furnace is failing. Option B, moisture is condensing in the vent and running back into the draft inducer fan. Option C, the draft inducer fan is not operating properly. Option D, the furnace has failed and is unsafe to operate. The correct answer is option B, moisture is condensing in the vent and running back into the draft inducer fan. Correct answer is moisture is condensing in the vent and running back into the draft inducer fan. Question 67. The purpose of a trap in the waste drainage system is to: option A, provide maintenance access. Option B, prevent siphoning. Option C, block sewer gases. Option D, cause water to drain smoothly. The correct answer is option C, block sewer gases. Correct answer is block sewer gases. Question 68. A home inspection typically includes an examination of: option A, adequacy of heat supply. Option B, heat exchangers. Option C, humidifiers. Option D, vents, flues, and chimneys. The correct answer is option D, vents, flues, and chimneys. Correct answer is vents, flues, and chimneys. Question 69. The reason a dielectric union would be used in plumbing distribution pipes is to: option A, ensure that the grounding conductor has a secure connection. Option B, separate two dissimilar metals to prevent corrosion. Option C, isolate any electrical wires touching the supply pipes. Option D, bond the hot and cold water pipes. The correct answer is option B, separate two dissimilar metals to prevent corrosion. Correct answer is separate two dissimilar metals to prevent corrosion. Question 70. A basin makes a gurgling sound at the end of draining the fixture. This may be due to: option A, improperly supported pipes. Option B, inadequate venting. Option C, an undersized drain pipe. Option D, improper drain slope. The correct answer is option B, inadequate venting. Correct answer is inadequate venting. Question 71. Condensation between glass layers of thermal pane windows indicates the need to: option A, repair or replace sealant. Option B, repair or clean breather holes. Option C, replace glazing, sash, or window. Option D, replace the interior pane. The correct answer is option C, replace glazing, sash, or window. Correct answer is replace glazing, sash, or window. Question 72. Dielectric unions. Option A, accommodate pipe expansion. Option B, are undesirable and indicate a problem. Option C, prevent galvanic action. Option D, help maintain electrical grounding of pipes. The correct answer is option C, prevent galvanic action. Correct answer is prevent galvanic action. Question 73. The minimum clearance between a wood stove single wall vent connector and combustible materials should be: Option A, 3 inches. Option B, 9 inches. Option C, 18 inches. Option D, 36 inches. The correct answer is option C, 18 inches. Correct answer is 18 inches. Question 74. Garage door opener electronic eye sensors are properly installed when facing each other. Option A, 1 to 3 inches above the garage floor. Option B, 4 to 6 inches above the garage floor. Option C, 7 to 10 inches above the garage floor. Option D, 11 to 15 inches above the garage floor. The correct answer is option B, 4 to 6 inches above the garage floor. Correct answer is 4 to 6 inches above the garage floor. Question 75. Capillary tubes are part of the option A, evaporator coil. Option B, heat exchanger. Option C, condenser coil. Option D, compressor discharge. The correct answer is option A, evaporator coil. Correct answer is evaporator coil. Question 76. As a lintel over doors and windows in a masonry wall rests, it may cause option A, the window glass to crack. Option B, the wall at the top to push out. Option C, cracks at the tops of openings. Option D, the lintel to rotate and displace the brick. The correct answer is option D, the lintel to rotate and displace the brick. Correct answer is the lintel to rotate and displace the brick. Question 77. Which of the following is a common maintenance task for a residential refrigeration system? Option A, clean the heat exchanger. Option B, replace refrigerant. Option C, clean the condenser coil. Option D, replace the thermostat. The correct answer is option C, clean the condenser coil. Correct answer is clean the condenser coil. Question 78. The device used to detect the electrical current to the electric heater coil is called option A, an anemometer. Option B, an ohm meter. Option C, a voltmeter. Option D, an ammeter. The correct answer is option D, an ammeter. Correct answer is an ammeter. Question 79. The inspector is required to operate all of the following except option A, shut-off valves. Option B, manual garage door. Option C, a representative number of windows. Option D, folding attic stairs. The correct answer is option A, shut-off valves. Correct answer is shut-off valves. Question 80. Potable water systems connected to lawn irrigation systems need to be protected from option A, back siphonage. Option B, excess water usage. Option C, mechanical damage. Option D, low water flow. The correct answer is option A, back siphonage. Correct answer is back siphonage. Question 81. Most modern kitchen ranges are required to have option A, front edge controls. Option B, a warming drawer. Option C, an anti-tip device. Option D, a tipping alarm. The correct answer is option C, an anti-tip device. Correct answer is an anti-tip device. Question 82. The inclusion of photographs in home inspection reports is option A, optional. Option B, mandatory. Option C, discriminatory. Option D, illegal. The correct answer is option A, optional. Correct answer is optional. Question 83. A home inspector should probe option A, where decay is suspected. Option B, spalling in concrete. Option C, a representative number of floor joists. Option D, around a toilet. The correct answer is option A, where decay is suspected. Correct answer is where decay is suspected. Question 84. Overhead electrical service should be a minimum of how many feet above a flat roof subject to foot traffic? Option A, 4 feet. Option B, 6 feet. Option C, 8 feet. Option D, 10 feet. The correct answer is option D, 10 feet. Correct answer is 10 feet. Question 85. How are the holes in rigid foundation drain pipe aligned? Option A, toward the foundation. Option B, on the top half of the pipe. Option C, on the bottom half of the pipe. Option D, away from the foundation. The correct answer is option C, on the bottom half of the pipe. Correct answer is on the bottom half of the pipe. Question 86. What is the primary purpose of control joints placed in concrete driveways? Option A, to prevent cracks. Option B, to drain the surface. Option C, to reduce random cracking. Option D, to enhance appearance. The correct answer is option C, to reduce random cracking. Correct answer is to reduce random cracking. Question 87. Where might you expect to find a window with safety glass? Option A, less than 18 inches above the floor. Option B, less than 24 inches above the floor. Option C, above a kitchen sink. Option D, on the second story. The correct answer is option A, less than 18 inches above the floor. Correct answer is less than 18 inches above the floor. Question 88. What is a common cause of buckled hardwood flooring in an existing house? Option A, excessive moisture. Option B, lack of moisture. Option C, improper installation. Option D, poor quality material. The correct answer is option A, excessive moisture. Correct answer is excessive moisture. Question 89. A newly built ventilated crawl space with a vapor retarder is required to have 1 square foot of net ventilation opening per. Option A, 150 square feet of crawl space. Option B, 600 square feet of crawl space. Option C, 1,200 square feet of crawl space. Option D, 1,500 square feet of crawl space. The correct answer is option D, 1,500 square feet of crawl space. Correct answer is 1,500 square feet of crawl space. Question 90. A standard claims made errors and omissions insurance policy includes claims filed. Option A, during the time the policy is in effect. Option B, after the policy has lapsed. Option C, before the policy effective date. Option D, while the inspector maintains any required license. The correct answer is option A, during the time the policy is in effect. Correct answer is during the time the policy is in effect. Question 91. A poured concrete retaining wall with weep holes is rotating. What is the most likely reason for the rotation? Option A, the wall has no deadman anchors. Option B, the footing has no reinforcing steel. Option C, there is no gravel behind the wall. Option D, the wall is cantilevered. The correct answer is option D, the wall is cantilevered. Correct answer is the wall is cantilevered. Question 92. A poured concrete basement wall has a 1/4 inch wide crack where the wall is bowing slightly. Brown stains are below the crack. What is the most likely reason for this condition? Option A, the gutters are blocked. Option B, the wall contains 5/8 inch reinforcing steel. Option C, the concrete was not properly vibrated. Option D, the wall damp proofing was improperly installed. The correct answer is option A, the gutters are blocked. Correct answer is the gutters are blocked. Question 93. A concrete block basement wall has significant efflorescence. What is the most likely reason for this condition? Option A, the cinder content in the blocks is too high. Option B, the foundation plants are too close to the house. Option C, the blocks are not grouted. Option D, the soil has settled at the foundation. The correct answer is option D, the soil has settled at the foundation. Correct answer is the soil has settled at the foundation. Question 94. A concrete driveway is 1/z inch higher than the adjacent concrete walkway. What is the most likely reason for this condition? Option A, the walkway is not thick enough. Option B, the soil under the walkway was not compacted. Option C, there is no reinforcing steel in the walkway. Option D, the walkway concrete is not air entrained. The correct answer is option B, the soil under the walkway was not compacted. Correct answer is the soil under the walkway was not compacted. Question 95. Which is the most acceptable fastener for connecting a deck ledger to a band board? Option A, 5/8 inch diameter stainless steel carriage bolt. Option B, 1/2 inch diameter electroplated galvanized steel wood screw. Option C, 1/2 inch diameter hot dipped galvanized steel machine bolt. Option D, 5/8 inch diameter brass machine screw. The correct answer is option C, 1/2 inch diameter hot dipped galvanized steel machine bolt. Correct answer is 1/2 inch diameter hot dipped galvanized steel machine bolt. Question 96. A movement joint should be installed in brick veneer. Option A, at support by different structural components. Option B, at each floor level. Option C, at each side of a lintel above a garage door. Option D, above each soldier course. The correct answer is option A, at support by different structural components. Correct answer is at support by different structural components. Question 97. Adhered masonry veneer is installed in the same manner as option A, natural stone veneer. Option B, stucco. Option C, fiber cement siding. Option D, steel siding. The correct answer is option B, stucco. Correct answer is stucco. Question 98. Which roof covering is most appropriate for a roof with a slope of 11/2:12 above a single-family house? Assume standard installation of any required underlayment. Option A, metal shingles. Option B, roll mineral. Option C, modified bitumen. Option D, slate shingles. The correct answer is option C, modified bitumen. Correct answer is modified bitumen. Question 99. What is the most appropriate fastener material for a slate shingle roof covering? Option A, electroplated galvanized nails. Option B, zinc nails. Option C, hot-dipped galvanized nails. Option D, copper nails. The correct answer is option D, copper nails. Correct answer is copper nails. Question 100. A scupper would most likely be located in option A, parapet wall. Option B, option B. Option C, option C. Option D, option D. The correct answer is option A, parapet wall. The correct answer is parapet wall.